Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on Google Maps. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this sign you can search about Google Maps like this. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.